So for my challenge 4, I have my document right here. If I hadn't started it yet to create a new one, I would just hit new and then Google Docs. But since I already have it, I'm just going to go straight to that. Now that I'm here, I can easily share by going up to this top up here. And you can just type in their email. So I already shared it with my 2 people. This is my sister and this is my friend. And I have them as editor. That way they can make comments and add things in when they need to. If I didn't want them to be able to edit what I wrote myself and only make comments, I could switch it to commenter. But if I wanted them to just be able to view it and not comment or edit, just like maybe read it over to get some ideas for their own thing, I can switch it to viewer. After I'm already at my document, I can see that they put their 2 comments over here. They gave me a little feedback on my lesson and what I will be doing in my interactive module. And I can click on it and see exactly where they wrote it at. This is good for collaborative projects because I can reply directly to their comment on like a thanks, this is the change I'm going to make, or actually I put this because of this reason.